Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot a Razor scooter. So this is the E200 Razor scooter. Most of them are similar. So we have this plugged in and it wasn't getting a charge. It ended up not working. So you can see so there's power on there, but then when you give throttle, nothing happens. The light kind of dims. So I'm going to show you how I troubleshoot it to figure out what's going on. Here, let's plug this in. And we're going to use a voltmeter to help us diagnose what's going on with this. Let's test our charger. So I'm going to plug this in. So I have it plugged in. And we want to test to see if there's any volts coming through. All right. So it's showing 27.4 volts. So it is charging. And I plugged red into 1 and the black into 3. Look at that. So now it's showing basically 28 volts. Let's go ahead and test our scooter. Let's remove 6 Phillips screws. It holds the deck on. So this one is actually missing 2 screws in the back. We have 2 hex screws. Normally I use metric, but I didn't want to grab my toolbox to grab the metric. Let's see which one fits. Yeah. And the cover comes off. All right, so you have 2 batteries. So both of these are 12 volt batteries, right here, 12 volt. Motor, there's a chain, wheel, there's the controller. So what I like to do is test the batteries first. And let's see if it's holding a charge. So go ahead and make sure your power switch is off. Let's lift the batteries out. All right, so 1 battery, and here's the other battery. Okay, grab your voltmeter. Let's test this. We have 3.9 volts. And then test this one. This one has 12.3 volts. So it looks like this battery is bad. So this is going through this little safety relay switch right here. Let's see. So these 2. So this is how these batteries are wired up. This negative goes through this relay. So what it's doing is it's making a continuous connection between the 2. And then it connects, this provides 24 volts out this. But that is only if it's working correctly. So let's see how many volts we have together. So I'm gonna plug this back in. test this little connector with both batteries. So we're running at 16 volts. Definitely not enough. What I can do is I can hook this up to a charger and see if it fills. See if it holds a charge, or we can just disconnect it. All right, so that means this works because it made the connection between the two. If it's showing voltage, combined voltage through here for both batteries. So what I'm gonna do is disconnect. Let's go ahead and remove the batteries. Positive is negative.